I'm Kylie.
I'm Angel.
And we're at the mobile spa today. And today I wanted to show you a quick video tutorial of how Angel here can fix tempered glass on my phone since I dropped it this morning. So what do we have here?
So we have our own tempered glass made by us. So it's pretty simple. You take out the tempered glass, use a Metro card.
Another good thing that Metro cards are good for. Already? It was definitely under a minute. Definitely stop at the mobile spa if you need to get your phone fixed, because in under a minute I can walk out of here and my case and my glass is totally fixed. Thanks again, Angel.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
Thank you.